Now let's learn how to hide applications on this A07 mobile. You can see all applications in here. Let's try to hide this Facebook application. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to home screen option. Scroll down it little bit. After you can see here hide apps on home and apps screen option. Click on it. In here you can select any application you want to hide. Now I select Facebook application and click on done button. Now let's see it's hidden or not. We cannot see our Facebook application on our apps area. If you want to unhide this application, go to the same path. After you can remove it like this. Now we can see our Facebook application appear on our home screen like this. In this method, you can hide your any application on your A07 mobile.